In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem Robux on Roblox using your Android phone. If you have a Roblox gift card or promo code, keep watching because you cannot redeem it directly inside the app. I'll show you the correct method. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome or any browser on your device. In the address bar, type roblox.com/redeem. Make sure you're on the official website. Now, log into your Roblox account. Then scratch the back of your gift card if it's physical. Carefully enter the code into the box on the screen. Then tap Redeem. If the code is valid, you'll see a successful message. Your Robux or Roblox credit will be added instantly. Now open the Roblox app and refresh. Your new Robux balance should appear at the top. Just go to the Buy Robux section and you see your available credit. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below if you have any problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.